Hey friends! Welcome back to Narrate, ready to explore animals around us? Animals are all around. Some live with us, others roam wild in forests. So, what exactly are animals? They're living things that move, breathe, and need food. You see dogs, cats, birds, elephants, all beautiful examples of animals around us. Some animals live right with humans. These are our loving pet animals. Think dogs, cats, cows, goats. They're not just pets, they're family. Pet animals help us in so many ways and give us lots of love too. Then, we have wild animals, living freely in forests and jungles. Lions roar, tigers sneak, monkeys swing. Wild animals never live inside our homes. Wild animals have their own homes, the forests, jungles, and mountains. Why care about animals? They're key helpers in our daily lives. Animals give us food like milk and eggs, plus help farmers grow crops. Some animals even keep us safe and sound, guarding our homes and hearts. Animals are living wonders, full of energy and love, just like you and me. Remember, some animals are pets, others roam wild, both important to our world. Can you spot one pet animal and one wild animal around you right now? Drop your answers in the comments below. I can't wait to hear them. Thanks for joining our animal adventure today, friends. Catch you next time on Narrate for more fun and learning. Until then, keep exploring the amazing world around you. And remember, every animal, big or small, deserves love and respect. Are you ready to make new animal friends? Let's do it together. Learning about animals makes the world way more fun, don't you think? So, next time you see an animal, big or small, say hi and stay curious. From furry to feathered, animals fill our world with wonder every day. Animals also teach us kindness, patience, and caring for others. Let's promise to protect and love animals, our special friends on Earth. Every animal matters, and every moment with them is priceless. Thanks for sharing this journey with me. Keep those animal stories coming. See you soon on Narrate. Bye for now, animal lovers.